some links, some tweet links from x.com. So this is the profile we're going to be scraping. It's Tom Durr's profile, and he links to GitHub repos like this. And we're going to try to find all the GitHub repos that he links to and get their description. So I've already set up the scraper here, so I'll explain how it works. We start at his profile link, and then we extract 3 fields: the text of the tweet. We ask the AI to figure out if there's a GitHub repo mentioned in the tweet, and we ask for it in username repo name format. And if there is a GitHub repo, we ask the AI to generate a full absolute URL from that repo. The AI is smart enough to know that if there's this format, it'll just kind of put github.com before the URL, before the username repo, and generate the URL that way. And also, I named this field URL because FetchFox, whenever it sees the field URL in an output, the following steps will open up that URL and scrape additional data. So we're gonna get all the tweets here, and then we're gonna filter them down to just the tweets that have a GitHub repo in them. And then finally, on the last step, we're gonna get the description of the repo, and it's gonna be following this URL up here. So it's gonna go to this URL, filter it out, and then get the description from the GitHub page. And it'll combine this field with the text of the original tweet, so it'll kind of match it up that way. Also note that here we're getting multiple items from 10 pages on the Twitter page, and in the last step we're getting 1 item from the GitHub repo, just a description, and we're not paginating on the last step. So I'm going to go ahead and run this scraper. It's going to paginate 10 times, which when it paginates on x.com or Twitter, it actually scrolls down. It kind of knows that on X, the way you paginate is by scrolling down to load more tweets. So here it goes. You can see I did 1 pagination there. Also open a background tab up here, and it's finding the tweets over here. So it found 4 tweets over here. 2 of them have GitHub repos, and now it's loading those GitHub repos and getting the extra data out of it. So you can see down here, you got 1 result. It's working on a few more. There's the URL, and there's the description, which it pulled from the GitHub repo page. There's a second one, again, full URL. And there's some more. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it now. Or you can let it run for longer if you want to. And I'm gonna just check one of the results over here. So let's open this first one. It says the description is a secure AI computer. Let's just double check that and make sure we got the right answer. Yep, it's the right answer over here. So yeah, that's all. Now I can download the CSV if I want to, and put it into Google Sheets or wherever. Thanks for listening, guys, and I hope this showed you a little bit about how to use FetchFox to get tweet links from x.com.